Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into the world of vocabulary with the word bus. Bus is an A1 level noun meaning a large vehicle for passengers. It's a very common word, and you probably see buses around all the time. A good synonym for bus is coach. For example, you might say, the coach took us on a tour of the city. Another synonym is motorbus, although we don't hear this one used as much. You could say, the motor bus was running late this morning. Now for antonyms, which isn't so straightforward for the word bus since it's a noun. Instead of an opposite, we might talk about more specific kinds of transport. For instance, a car is an antonym in the sense that it's a small vehicle for just a few people. For instance, I drove my car to work today instead of taking the bus. Or a bicycle is another smaller means of transport that contrasts with the bus. I rode my bicycle to the shop since the bus wasn't running. You can find the word bus used in many everyday conversations such as, I'm going to take the bus home, or the bus stop is right over there, or I saw a red bus this morning. Some other examples include phrases like catch the bus, meaning to get on the bus, and miss the bus, meaning to arrive too late to get on the bus. So, for example, I need to catch the bus at 8 a.m., or I missed the bus and I was late. To summarize, the word bus is an A1 level noun meaning a large vehicle for passengers. We looked at synonyms like coach and motorbus, and we contrasted it with smaller vehicles like a car and a bicycle. We've discussed its use in simple everyday conversations, like catching or missing the bus. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word. Please consider subscribing to the podcast and leaving us a review. Your support helps others find our show. Also, write your own sentence using the word bus in the comments below this video.